Chat, not gonna lie, I'm not feeling 100% today. um, I'm still kind of tired. I woke up like 15 minutes ago, or rather 25 minutes ago. Hello, chat. Yeah. So, let's regardless how I'm feeling, let's talk about what we're doing today. We'll power through it. We'll be fine. All right. So, I guess before we get started, let's first talk about what exactly it is that we're making or doing today. First of all, what were the samples that we looked at last stream? Give me a second. There it is. Okay. Right. Okay, here you are. Wait, did I like delete the IDB? Oh no, wait, no, where is it? Give me a second. Is it this one? No. It's this. Also, can you please not resize like that? Thank you. Load desktop. Oh, you messed up my layout. There we go. I gotta change the font size as well. You guys can actually see what's going on. Okay. Was it this? Oh, no. We're looking for the AB extractor one. This one? I also gotta reset the checkout branch, checkout master. Thank you. Okay. So, let's talk about what we're doing today. First of all, what is capa? As you might have noticed on the title. So, capa is something that Mandian wrote. It is a very quick way of giving you a basic behavioral static analysis type of analyzer, where it looks through all of the disassembled functions and it tells you what roughly can do or make educated guesses based on existing rule sets. So you can use capa as a standalone Python executable or script, or you can also use it as a IDA plugin, which I use the most. So to actually install capa, you can go to github.com/mandiant/capa. So capa actually is split into two different repositories. So the main one being /capa, which is where the majority of code base lives in. Actually, it has more than one repo, but we'll get into that later. But yeah, the basic usage is you could just clone the repository and do pipe3 install dot, and it'll install capa. And then you can call it as a standalone executable. So for example, if I were to bring up my terminal here, which I do not have it set up right now, how do I want to do this? Let's see. Oh yeah, I have Visual Studio Code open. I can just do it from here. Terminal. We can do get the samples real quick. This one. Right, so I can just do type capa, and then it'll, right, I forgot to provide my rules because I'm using capa in a as a standalone thing. That's why it wants these. I added an extra quote. It probably wants to ask me for a sig as well. Yep, it wants a sig. And as you can see, it'll just run the analyzer for you. And it'll attempt to match through all the things, and it'll be like, hey, it can do all these things. Here, let me make it a little bit bigger and destroy the original view. Great. So instead of let me run that again. So as you can see, it disassembles all the functions. I believe it uses vvsect as the underlying analyzer, and it'll run through all of them, and it'll go through all of them and check through all of its rules, which we'll get to in a little bit, and then it'll generate this report. If you want, you can also enable verbosity. There are 2 levels of verbosity. You can do -v. And it'll tell you, hey, you've got all these things that are at these addresses, and then you can go take a look at them in IDA if you want to. You can also do -vv. So -vv will give you an even more detailed analysis result, where it tells you, hey, the reason why it matches this particular rule is because it matches all of these at these specific addresses. Now that sounds fun and all, but it's going to be a little bit difficult if we were have to switch back and forth between the terminal output and your disassembler of choice. Now that thankfully we have IDA, which has its own capa plugin. So to do that, we install it via the IDA plugin that is included in the main repository. I believe it's under scripts. It's somewhere. Where is it? Oh, yeah, IDA. There you go. So you just copy all of these and plop them in your capa plugin, IDA plugins folder. There's also one for Ghidra, but I've never used it, so you're just gonna have to go try it out on your own. But yeah, there's IDA and Ghidra plugin that you can use. Now, aside from those, let's take a look at how the plugin works in IDA first. Now, I'm not entirely sure how well you're going to be able to see this because I can't change the font size in the IDA plugin. So you're going to have to bear with this. The moment you start the capa plugin, it's going to try to run the analyzer. And you can't see, yeah, there it is. So Yeah, I can barely see the text there. Hello, Crispy. Zip. I need to get more tea downstairs. Anyway, so you can barely see this, but I trust me, it says that it matches off the rules that we just saw. Let's see. There we go. Yeah, you can barely see this, but trust me, it says exactly what each of the rule sets matches are, and you can also go to the relevant address that thinks that, hey, here's the match. So, for example, get host name, right? It says there's a call to get computer name. We can just double click on the address and it'll take us there. Great. Now, how does capa work exactly? So capa works by analyzing it through vvsect and then matching all the disassembled opcodes and or strings or etc. through a collection of rules that it has in the capa rules repository. So we go to the GitHub repository. Okay, why is it so big? There we go. So if you go to the capa rules repository, you can see that it has all these rules that are being used for analysis. So if you want to add to the capa detection, you basically create a PR and drop them in here. Now, I have personally written quite a few PRs in here. I don't know if there's a direct way we can check which ones I contributed to. Hello? Hello? Okay, it's taking a while. The fastest way I think would be just logging myself in. Oh, okay, now it loads. Okay, so I did contribute quite a few every now and then. That's why you can also see my names under the release tag sometimes. Well, not in this release tag, in the normal capa repository release tag. Yeah, you'll see my name in a few of them sometimes. And yeah, since capa has been pretty useful for me, I figured we might as well go through how to write a few rules on stream. So, what I thought about we're gonna write today would be matching the Chrome cookie monster and the Chrome app-bound encryption key-related strings, and making all that into its own rule. Now the problem is, I don't know if this is the IDB I used last time. I don't think it is. At least not this one. Is it this one? Yeah, it is. Okay. Let's do Alt F5. Right, we can base some of these off of the rule we wrote last stream. which was where? Hang on. Music is staticky. There we go. I still don't know why it does that. How have they not fixed it? Because I know I'm not the only one complaining about it. I've seen others complain about it too. I'm surprised they still haven't fixed it. I don't even know if there's an issue open on OBS yet. It's not Twitch. It's OBS. Oh, it's the OBS that's the one doing it. Anyways, just crushed 4 pork dumplings. Nice. I haven't had anything, and my stomach is kind of upset today, or have been for the last few days actually. Trying to find the rule that I wrote last stream. There's this one. And this one. Yes. Okay. So, what we'll do is... first of all, we gotta decide which category this falls under. Collection browser. Would that be under... Communication... Nope. Yeah, I guess this will make the more sense. What do we want to call this? Locate... Chrome... Cookie Monster. YML. And while they have a schema, I think they don't have a template that I can just copy from. What I usually do is I just copy from all the existing rules and then work from there. Need to change examples later. Collection browser. Locate Chrome Cookie Monster. And then we'll do description. Now, as for the scopes, I'm not entirely sure. Let me make this a little bit bigger for myself. There we go. Let's see, what are some of the other ones I've written? guess function would make more sense. How about we'll leave it as is? We'll see if any of the contributors say anything about it. Okay. What I want to do is what was the we'll drop this down here. Right. I want to say 2 or more. I forgot. Do you need? Yeah, I need quotes. Okay. I guess any of them would be better, so I guess or. And then we gotta do. Gotta look for the byte pattern. Which, this might not, the real rule we wrote might be outdated already because Cookie Cat's got an update that updates the memory pattern. So we'll see if what that looks like now. Also, sip. I'm out of tea. Give me a second. I'm gonna go downstairs and grab some tea. I'll be right back. I'm back. I also got something to munch on. Give me like 30 seconds. Okay, maybe I'll need more than 30 seconds to munch on these. You guys mind if I munch on stream? Is that gonna be too disturbing? Okay, finish munching. Oh, what's a byte pattern I gotta use? Sorry, what's the what do I gotta type for byte patterns again? Capa rules. Sorry. I got tea. Okay. Formats. We're looking for bytes. Okay. What else are there? Class ups. Number, property. Okay. Here's the thing, though. I don't think I can deal with stack strings like these. So it could detect stack string, but oh, this could be also be obfuscated string. Oh. So we can also detect stack string then. Okay. I might have to download the Chromecast release real quick. Yeah, let's open this in IDA to see what this looks like. Can you stop changing my window size? I'm getting tired of you. No, I'm not, but there's okay. So here, I would like to read the pseudocode more better, please. Where is the pattern? This is a byte array in here. Oh no, wait. Oh, okay, just stack string. Okay, or rather, they're on the stack, not stack. You get what I'm saying. Okay, so is it also going to be able to text bytes written on the stack like that? Well, we'll see. Okay, so cookie cats. There it is. I'm gonna need Cyber Chef for this. That was bright. Oh my god. Dark mode, thank you. From hex to hex. Let's see. Is that gonna work? I doubt it. Let's see. Oh, it did not like that. I think it's because we have the show code. feature API not supported for scope static scope. Okay. I mean, it doesn't have to be file. Do function, I think. Let me double check the documentation. Feature. Scope. Static. Function should be enough. Like this. Okay, try that again. Yeah, calm down. Oh, I broke it. Okay, close. Reload. Try again. I'm gonna specify the capa root directory, alright. Didn't do anything. Ooh. Oh, let's match this one. Nope, did not match this. Okay. Why is it not matching? We'll comment this section out. Try again. Reanalyze. Input should be a valid string. One validation error. Okay. How about let's just put all of this. Reanalyze. Okay, it's still telling me the string type is wrong. What did I type wrong here? Oh, is this the example one? Okay, yeah, that was... Okay. So that did match the function. Well, I feel like we should do file, though, not function. Let's do or for now. Let's remove that. Reanalyze. Invalid rule feature bytes for the scope. Okay, fine, function. I'm gonna make the output a little bit bigger so you guys can actually see what errors it's spitting out. Font 20. 20. There you are. Okay, it didn't even match any of the things in here. Okay, that's bad. Hmm. Does the byte pattern support wild cards? Okay, I guess the easiest way to check is just searching for question mark, question mark. No, that... Okay, it doesn't support. Wild card? That's problematic. What? How is that still not match? Huh? Bytes not supported for scope. Oh, byte feature is not supported for dynamic. Ooh, okay. Okay, it doesn't support file either. The problem is if you do function, it's going to be, well, very limited. Because, like, it might not happen in one single function. How about this? What if we split this into two different rules? So we'll make the Cookie Monster thing its own. 2 or more. Okay. Okay, that part is fine at least. So we now have to worry about this. The problem is, it works fine if this is... Hang on a second. So let's go back to Yara Hub real quick. We'll find in the wild sample that uses the... Will I write in this one again? Yeah, Medusa Stealer. It was like surely it was like a bit after we released our last REWorkshop that we started seeing Medusa Stealer matching my Yar rule. Okay, let's download this file. I mean, it's probably better that we try to match this against a real sample anyways. I mean, not that our previous one wasn't, but you get what I'm saying. Okay, that is one large boy. 4,200 functions. Oh, give it a little bit, I guess. In the meantime, I guess I can look at the cookie cats thing again. Nope, that was fast. Okay. Give me a second. Let me see if I can find any examples that uses this Play pattern. Yeah, get it. Shh. Calm down. No matches found. Great. Huh. I think we might have to abandon this for now. Which is a shame. That's okay. What the other Yaru that wrote? Yeah, this one. What verb do we use for this? Get from what was it again? Elevation service. Just copy all of these. Yeah, I know it doesn't look right. Shh, calm down. I would prefer if I can see. Two or more. Oh, copyright claim. Don't do this one. Really, I'll remove those two from the, What the hell happened to my flex amp? Here, I'll show you guys what I'm seeing right now. What? Look. What happened to it? Hello? Let me restart Plex amp. There we go. You know, I guess while I'm here, let me remove those hyper potion ones. The hyper potion ones always get me copyright claim. I mean, I guess that will be enough. What's my tweet about the PLC? Is this on the attack table? Let me check. I think it'd be a faster to check ChatGPT actually for this kind of thing. T1071003. Let's see. No, that is mail protocol. Okay, ChatGPT is useless apparently. Surely there's one for COM, right? Discovery. I feel like it's none of these. Credential access. Steal application access token. No, I think this is referring to... No, I don't think that's it. OS credential dumping. I mean, kinda. Exploitation for credential access. Yeah, I feel like that makes sense, actually. Yeah, let's do this. T1212. Okay, apparently no one's ever used T1212 before. Exploitation for credential access. Okay, so let's double check if our rules match now. Reanalyze. Oh no, it uses bytes. Heck. Function unsupported. Requires byte feature. I'm gonna see if I can make Ida's thing a little bit bigger. Oh man, tired. I mean, alternative, I can just do this, right? Well, I have to make the font size a little bit smaller. This is such a hassle when I'm not doing display capture, but display capture, not great. Don't want to leak anything, you know? Let's see. What? It still didn't match any. Okay, that's a bit of a problem. So let's double check what part got matched with our yaw rule. So we got matched with the bite pattern. Oh, that's a bit of a problem, man. Because like, I think that'll match the file. But the problem is you can't do file, it seems. Yeah, it doesn't support file. A basic block. Okay, it doesn't do that either. Well, that's a bit of a problem. Hang on a second. We'll be right back. I'm gonna take a tiny little break. Okay, I'm back. Sorry, it took a little while. Probably make myself a bit just a little smaller. How did I do that last time? Ah, whatever. I'll just do it myself. There we go. Okay. Yeah, how do we go about solving this? Let's see what others did with their buy patterns. The byte search and okay. So it's stored in the R data section. Oh, so this is how you do stack string search, or rather stack search. Is there a rule for calls? Implement com DLL. No. RPC? Nope. Wait. No, I just realized this should be or, not and. Oops. Okay, let's try that again. Let's see if that matches now. Okay, so like I've got a better idea of how I should do this. Maybe I should just do this. And then make the VS Code smaller. This. Yeah. Okay. Chrome. Oh, that still doesn't match. God damn it. Yeah, let's do function now instead. See if that helps. Give it a bit. Okay, Chrome. Okay, now it works. Okay, that's more like it. Can't you like... Is there an optional thing I can tell it to do? Optional. Okay. Apparently there is. Optional. Okay. String happy. Prefix for outbound encryption encrypted credentials. Okay, so description is supported, just double checking. I never really checked MBC. Is there something in here that would describe what we're looking for? Is there a place we can check? Credential access. It's not these. No, not lateral movement. Exfiltration. Automated exfiltration. I mean, matching this doesn't necessarily mean exfiltration, right? Discovery. Does this count as system information discovery? Oh, I just realized you guys can't see what I'm seeing. Right. Oops. Kinda? Collection. No, I don't feel like it matches any of these behaviors. I guess that would be enough. So let me double check if it's going to match the optional keyword. Reanalyze. Is there one for DP API? It does use DP API, right? Like, even though it's... yeah, let's check the POC again. No, it uses the elevator to decrypt data. Okay, so the DP API implementation is within the elevation service. So that'll never match. I'll get rid of that then. Wait, what? I failed? Okay, it's failing again. What happened? Can index or branch. What do you mean? It doesn't like this? Let's check how others use optional again. I guess it's more like I gotta do it like this, I guess. Okay, I think that's more like it. Yeah, it's working now. Okay, that's a wrong window. Thank you. Okay, it didn't match the optional, but that's fine. This probably doesn't use it in the same function anyways. Even though it is present. Oh, I don't know where it's used actually. Let's see. Used here. It's not in the same function. Okay. Well, regardless, that should still work. Okay, I'm happy with this one. feel like the verbs used in capa rules is not particularly consistent. Because I'm not sure if I should be using the word get. Maybe I should use get instead. Okay, so now let's if you're ever contributing on capa, you're basically required to do a lint of the rule first. What you do is you do lint that. No, wait, you gotta do FMT first. And then you want to do that. Okay, there you go. It just linted the rule for us, or formatted. Just for examples of this, we should be able to just use the cookie cats BOF as the example. Okay. So now we have those two out of the way. I kind of want to write another rule before we call the stream off. What other rules can we write? Let's see. I want to see if there's any sample, potentially interesting sample to look at. Oh, there's a Luma stealer. Can we take a steel? Yeah, we can take a look at the steel C sample we looked at last time. Let me find it real quick. It was this. Okay, even I can barely read this on my screen. Yeah, let me close out that real quick. I want to change the way I did. Capa. Yeah, I trust the authors. Okay. So scripts, nope. Ida. Form. Size. Set point size. There we go. Change that to something a little bigger. 16. Terminal. Type 3 install dot. Yeah, don't care. Okay. Now let's open up IDA again. Let's see if this looks better now. Nope, that didn't change at all. Hang on. Interesting username you've got there. Hello. Font. Well, imagine having to write Qt in Python. It's in Vue. Surely it's here somewhere. Nope. Was the 16.1 not it? No, that's for a rule gen. Okay, that's why. It's gotta be here somewhere. Let's see, where's the render the result? Compute layout. Rendering results. No, I think it's this one, right? Would that be enough? Okay, technically I only need to copy the file. I don't need to rebuild this thing every time, but whatever. Okay, that looks a little bit better. That's like bigger, but I don't think that's big enough yet. And the function one is still tiny. And the actual rule names. It's like 20. Actually, 18. Okay, let's see if that helps. I accidentally changed my 3TS size. Oops. There we go. Okay, so we exit out here. Try it again. Okay, there we go. That looks way better now. Still not the most clear on stream, but that is significantly better, I would say. At least you guys should be able to see now. Q font. I want to set to hack instead of courier. I don't like courier. Yeah, this is now a instead of capa rule stream, we're just editing capa now. Okay. Okay. There we go. Oh, it looks so much better to my eyes. Okay. Now that we have those out of the way, I want to see if these NTVMs are noted by capa. Get memory capacity. Is there one for like sandbox VM? I know there is a place where it checks for the user. I don't know how that list is loaded. Or if he's even available in plain text form. Wait, what is this? Did we see this last time? Let's check on GitHub. Okay, well that's not noted anywhere. I wonder what process is supposed to be targeting. Steam? Wait, is it patching instruction? Oh, no, it's just locating. There's no writing. Huh. I wonder what's the deal with this specific instruction. Okay. Web.archive.org. Great, I can't access this web page. Maybe Google Translate can? Oh, never mind. It opened. Okay. Yeah. Dead dropper's over. I know. Okay, apparently this is spot in Vidar. What is that instruction specifically for? Can you maybe disassemble this, Cyberchef? Because, like, this is the type of thing that would be perfect for writing a rule with. Oh, it's for finding the tokens. I think. Let me check out my Steam. Which I'm not going to show on stream, of course. What's the PID for my Steam? I'm so glad I'm doing I'm doing window capture instead of display capture. Oh. Okay, I see. From okay, so it's the start of the token. Okay, so like if you were to just convert from hex, you would have seen that that's the start of a Steam token. That's what bearer token for Steam looks like. That's how it dumps the Steam token. Okay. I guess it doesn't really fit into any of these. Yeah, I guess it doesn't really fit into any of these. So I guess we'll do create a new one under collection. Just once again, copy everything here. Which attack would this fit under? Oh, hello. Welcome. Oh, hey, Russian Panda. Hello. Good to see you here. Oh my god, thank you for a sub too. Hello. Yeah, this probably wouldn't be it. Which one would this be under? Screw it. I'm just gonna leave it empty. There isn't really any references, so I guess I'll just use example. Which would be the Steel C4. And which example was this from? Examples. I think it's this. Okay. And string. What are we reversing today? Actually not much. We're just looking to write some rules for generic stealer behaviors. Using capa rules. So right now the sample I have open is Steel C, but I think this section exists in Vidar and all that as well. Love capa? Yeah, capa's great. I guess or. So that would match this as well. String. Can I match bytes as well? I don't think I need to. And really, I think make it shorter. That should be enough. Probably make this bigger. Okay. Now that we're back here. No, I think that we're good. I don't know where it's getting the user list from. Otherwise, that would be a good rule to write as well. Oh, right. Right. All the strings are encrypted, or at least encoded. So of course it's not gonna be directly viewable. Screw it. Then we're gonna leave it for next time then. We run into a sample that has all the known sandbox usernames. Actually, maybe we can do a GitHub search. So we know there's Walker. What else? Yeah, username. Known sandbox usernames. Oh, right, we can probably just check out Kaiser for that. Right. Yeah, I forgot about. I completely forgot about it. This thing. Yeah, we'll open folder. Wait, I never cloned this repository? Really? Oh, I clone it now. Okay, so anti-VM. This was added in from pull request. Where's under? File changed. NTVM generic CPP. Really? Just John Doe? I don't think that's the... Okay, I think these might be too generic as a rule. This list does not feel comprehensive enough. I don't know if you guys can see well, but here. Yeah, this list does not feel comprehensive. Surely there are better ones that I can look at. Sorry, give me a second. I'm looking through. Wow, imagine naming your PC switch on PC, and that's all it takes to get around anti-sandbox. Let's see. Well, either way, we're not going to have to sample it. Okay, you know, I'm going to give up on that idea. Move on to another rule idea. Let's see, what else can we write? We've written 3 rules so far. For those who weren't here earlier, we wrote a rule for getting the Chrome elevation service. This is typically used for dumping the encryption key via the Chrome elevation service. And the other one is just the good old memory dumping from Cookie Monster. And the other one is Steam Token. Let's see. Are there any time-based checks? There's time stomping, which is not what we're looking for. Yeah. We could do an API for get system time to file time, and then a compare check, like. Let's see what are already in the debugger. Yeah. Okay, these are all debuggers. Wait, let me check. What does system time to file time do again? Okay, I'm kind of curious what this other sample looks like. Hang on. Because it just occurred to me there's one thing I want to check if capa can figure out. Doesn't know what to do with chunk code. Because it doesn't, we can write a rule for detecting anti-disassembly instructions. It doesn't know what to do with it. Great. Okay, so that means we can make this a rule. Before that, I'll be right back. Take a little break. Okay. So we're gonna do this one rule, and I'm gonna call it because it's almost noon. I want to get some food. New window. So I want to open something real quick. How am I gonna do this? So the way this works is that it keeps inserting instructions that IDA will think is not a valid instruction. I'm trying to think what pattern we can write to make this a rule. We have to compare the two. Hang on. Sorry, probably this is very confusing to look at, I'm sure, for you guys. Okay, so the way it works is that to patch this, what you usually do is replace these with NLPs. The actual call instructions at 19BC. Wait, is it? Nah, I give up. I'm not sure how I would make this a rule. Well, in that case, I think I'm gonna at least commit to what I wrote today. Which is let's commit all these. Let me double check I am actually up to date. Git pull. Okay, now we are. I need the specific address of where this is used. Otherwise, the capa maintainers are going to yell at me. They say the sample example thing is optional. Well, I don't think it is. Because, if you don't provide the sample, then the linter is going to yell at you. And if a linter yells at you, it's not going to pass the ICD. Now we also need one for the time when the Steam token thing was checked. Okay. Oh yeah, we gotta run the format as well for get Steam token -I. There we go. We're gonna do a get. Oh, why? Let me. I can just do it here. I'm gonna do get checkout -B patches add stealer techniques. Get status. Okay. Get commit ASM Add rules for various. Okay. Assign this. Okay. And then we get push fork. And now we go to the request page. I wonder if there are any existing rules. Oh. Okay, there are apparently a lot of them. Okay, next time if we're gonna do this, we should probably look through the issues list to see if anyone's got anything interesting that we can write about. Add beep when API. Oh, I didn't know beep calls anti-delay execution. Huh. Cool. Reconsider attack classification. So why aren't these... Like, aren't these the maintainers? Or are these issues still stale? These are like opened like a month ago. Okay, anyways. This PR adds 3 new rules. Where are they again? Yeah, Cookie Monsters. Steel C and Vidar. Chrome ads. Strings related to locating processes related to Chrome's Cookie Monster. What components does Cookie Monster count as? No, not you. Chromium. I guess Chromium would be more accurate. And then What was it? ID and CLS ID, yeah. VRPC to decrypt app found encryption related data. Feel now enjoy stream. Thank you. Thanks for talking about that again, and I appreciate the sub. See you later. We're almost done here, anyways. Finds. Oh, hello. Zip. Okay. Fine. Detects references to. I cannot spell it. References to known Steam tokens. Okay, how does this look? Okay, that could look a little bit better. Maybe do dash. Dash. Okay, that should be good enough. I thought about adding bytes here, but I guess we don't really need to. But I feel like substring would be better, actually. Let me change this. Ask her what bytes. Okay. I think that's good enough. Now as for it checks, it's probably gonna fail because it doesn't have the samples yet. Well, I'll usually add those after the PR has been checked by the maintainers. Okay. I guess that'll be it for today. So let's really recap on what we did today. So we wrote 3 different capa rules for detecting various info-stealers related things. So the first one being the one that detects the cookie monster, which specifically looks for the network service argument and any of the known Chromium-based processes. And then one for the Chrome Elevation service. I feel like this could be improved in the future where we can add more than just Google Chrome. But for now, let's just have the Google Chrome ones in here because that'll usually be good enough for detecting most things. And then one for the Steam token, which I didn't know was a thing. Apparently, there are info stealers out there that specifically looks for Steam's process and looks for the token in the memory and then gets a token from there. I checked my Steam real quick, and it turns out if you actually do a byte search for this pattern, it does lead you directly to the login token. That's how they yoink your login token. I didn't know it was that simple, actually. I always thought it was file based, but no. Apparently, there's one for process based as well. Okay. Well, in that case, I think I'm gonna call it here. Let's see. Is there anyone who can raid? Let's see. Following. Oh, Camila's back streaming again with Vito. Vito's playing COD? Excuse me? Alright.
Wait for the round to end?
That could be it, yeah.
Yeah, maybe wait for the round to end.
Okay, Goon's the host.
You can't rejoin the game?
Wait, social? My party's open.
Let's
Can
see.
you invite me, maybe?
Camila.
Invite to party? That might do something.
Sure, let's raid Camila. Why not?
Hmm.
Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.
Why would you leave the game, man? That's just fucked up.
I didn't leave the game. I guess I was standing around for too long.